Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on the application of Yazio. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of Yazio and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. And then you can go to Play Store and you will update your app to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.